If you're encountering an error that says unable to verify app, then stick around for a quick and straightforward solution. In this example, we'll be using Scarlet. We're going to sideload Scarlet through the direct install method. I've already made a detailed video covering the direct install process. I'll leave that link down in the description. Make sure the status shows signed, only then will it function properly. As you can see, the side loading process has started. Once it finishes, this is the error we're referring to, unable to verify app. Typically, what we do at this point is head over to General, then tap on VPN and Device Management and try trusting the certificate. But even after doing that, it still fails to verify. That means something could be interfering with the verification step. Go back and check your DNS settings. Try switching it over to automatic. Or if you're running any VPN that's meant to prevent revokes, go ahead and turn it off now. Let's attempt the verification process again. Once verified, you can switch your DNS back or re-enable the anti-revoke VPN if needed. Let's now open the Scarlet app to see if everything's running fine. And as you can see, it's working flawlessly. So, remember, whenever you're sideloading an app, always disable any anti-revoke DNS or simply set your DNS settings to automatic. If you're still running into the same issue, then you'll need the blacklist, of which I've covered in the next video.